Stewart Connector provides robust and reliable industrial connectivity solutions for a wide range of applications, designed for the harsh environments of consumer electronics, telecommunications, aerospace, military, medical, and more. Industrial connectivity solutions include the IP67 Seal Jack Modular Cable Applied series for supporting Cat6a Ethernet cables in shielded and unshielded configurations with sealable caps to ensure complete protection against dust and water ingress per IEC 60529. Industrial connectivity solutions offer printed circuit board mount connectors for USB 2.0, USB 3.0, RJ45, and USB 3.0 combinations, and an essential line of modular jacks. PCB mount connectors are available in a variety of through-hole mount options in stacked, right, and vertical orientations, offered in shielded and unshielded configurations. Industrial connectivity products deliver robust and reliable connections with an operating temperature of up to 85 degrees Celsius, transmission of gigabit Ethernet, peak current ratings as high as 1.8 amps, and voltage ratings up to 125 volts AC RMS.